Hello students, welcome to science class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a science class of standard 8 chapter 5. Today's topic is exercise of chapter 5. Exercise. There are 4 short answer questions. Number 1, describe the importance of hormone. Actually here we have to mention the functions of hormones in a para. Number 2, mention the functions of auxin and gibberellin. We have to write the functions of auxin and gibberellin, which are 2 important hormones for plant, and we have to write auxin and gibberellin separately. Number 3, explain reflex action. You know about reflex action, I have described. You have to describe or explain this reflex action on the basis of your text, or you may write the explain the reflex action from my explanation. Number 4, describe the function of kidney. Here we have to mention only the function of kidney. Multiple choice questions. Number 1, which one is the following helps flowering? Gibberellin, cytokinin, florigen, auxin. Here correct answer will be gibberellin, that means A is correct answer. Number 2, which organ of human body plays the key role in eliminating nitrogenous waste product? You know the main eliminating organ of nitrogenous waste product is kidney, that means correct answer will be A, kidney. Read the following paragraph and answer question number 3 and 4. Proma planted a money plant in a tub near the window of the room. As the plant grows fast, the twigs and tendrils bend towards the window. She bought the vane inside the room, but the same thing happened again. Number 3, why does Poma's money plant creep towards the window? A, air, B, water vapor, C, light, D, heat. Correct answer will be light, that means C is correct answer here. Number 4, enhances the growth of Poma's money plant. Number 1, gibberellin. Number 2, auxin. Number 3, ethylene. Which one is correct? A, gibberellin, B, gibberellin and ethylene, C, auxin and ethylene, D, all, that means gibberellin, auxin and ethylene. Correct answer will be D. Creative question number 1. In the stem we can see figure of neuron are there. What is hormone? Question number A, what is hormone? You know the biochemical substances of multicellular organism which regulates, inhibit the functioning of some other cells. These biochemical substances are called hormones, or we may say that the biochemical substances is produced into the organism and perform important functions of the body is called hormone. Number B, explain the role of auxin in plant. We have to mention the function of auxin in plant which are mentioned in your text. Number C, explain the position of above cell in the cerebrum. We can see that in the stem here mentioned nerve cell, and we have to describe the position of nerve cell in cerebrum. Cerebrum is the part of brain. or main part of brain. You know, our nervous system is divided into mainly two: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Cerebrum is the part of central nervous system, or cerebrum is the part of brain. Brain is the main part of central nervous system. Cerebrum is divided into right and left cerebral hemisphere, which are composed of grey matter and white matter. Why grey matter? Because formed by cell body of nerve, and white matter formed by axon of nerve cell. Grey matter is found in cluster of neurons in the brain and spinal cord, and also in cortical layers. These clusters from the nucleus in the cerebrum and act as work center of vision. Actually, the cluster of neurons in the cerebrum and act as work center of vision, hearing, smell, thought, memory, knowledge, conscience, and movement of muscle. That means above mentioned cell is neuron, and neuron is placed in cerebrum, and some description of cerebrum as well as the function of this cluster of neuron we have to discuss in class C. Sorry, answer of question C. D. What are the importance of above cell in transmitting impulse in human body? Explain. In the stem we can see that there are two neurons are there and they are attached one another. Each nerve cell sends signal to the other cells because they are connected with axon of one neuron and dendrite of another neuron, and this junction is called synapse. That means one neuron connected with another neuron with synapse and transmit the impulses from one to another. The nervous system is composed of millions of nerve cells. The system, neurons are formed by axon, dendrite and cell body, and they take part in different function to stimuli or to transmit the stimuli from one cell to another cell, one region to another region, one nerve to another nerve. The nervous system controls the body. It coordinates the activities of the different organs of the body. Each unit of the nervous system receives stimuli and creates proper hearing of, creates proper sensation, thought, sensation, smell, vision, hearing, memory, body movement, etc. all belongs to the regulation of the nervous system. Consists of million of nerves and mainly the transmission of impulses or transmission of sensation from one neuron to another neuron. Creative question number 2. Oppu was drawing the picture of unit of nervous system attentively. At that time his sister Kanta poked with her elbow him from behind. Oppu caught hold of Kanta's hand without seeing her. Then Oppu told Kanta there is a relationship between his drawing and the catching of her hand. Number A. What is the main excretory organ of human body? You know, the main excretory organ of human body is kidney. Number B. What do you mean by tropic movement? In your text there is a definition of tropic movement. You may write from your text the definition of tropic movement. Describe the structure that Oppu was drawing. Describe the structure that Oppu was drawing. Oppu was drawing the unit of nervous system. We can see from the stem, and you know the unit of nervous system is neuron. That means Oppu was drawing the picture of neuron. Describe the structure of neuron. That means we have to write the different parts, as well as it will better if you draw the picture also. In answer of C. That means we have to draw and describe the structure of neuron which are described on your text. Number D. How is the ability of catching Kanta's hand related to the nervous process of Oppu's body? Explain. How is the ability of catching Kanta's hand? He caught the Kanta's hand suddenly or very quickly or instantly, and instant response of our body related with our reflex action. That means we have to describe the function or describe the procedure of reflex action from your book on the basis of the relation of the stem. That means we have to describe the reflex action on the basis of stem of creative question number 2. Thank you very much.